Hi guys, welcome to this Excel course. In this video, we are going to be taking a quick look at some of the most fundamental commands in Excel, which are your copy and paste commands. Now, you will find these commands in your Home tab, in this Clipboard group, and which allows you to do basically is copy and paste data within your workbook. So if you want to copy and paste a particular cell within your workbook, you can select it and either hit copy in your ribbon or can hold the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C and then select another cell within your workbook and paste it again, either by pressing the paste button in your ribbon or using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V, and you will get the exact same copy of that cell. Now the Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V, the copy and paste commands, copy everything within your cell over to new cell, including your formats and any formulas that might be in there. So in our example here, we have got a range of values. At the moment, none of these are actually formulas. If we click into them, they are simply values. But we want to make sure that if we update our quantity in stock or our cells, that this will actually multiply things frequently. So we can either do this normally by pressing Ctrl+C, selecting our columns, Ctrl+V, passing it down, or another way of doing this. So for example, if this had some sort of format in it that you didn't want to copy the entire way down, you just want the formula, Ctrl+Z, so select it, and the paste button here, there is a little drop down menu, there is a range of options, so you can paste it just the values or you can paste your formats. However, the easy way to see this is to use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Alt+V, which will bring you paste special box. And then this we can select either pasting our formulas, pasting your values, formats, and various range of other options. So I just want to copy the formulas, so selecting OK, I will be pasting those down. Now for example, say we just want to copy this column, we don't want to copy the data, we only want to copy our format. We can use the same paste special shortcuts and Ctrl+Alt+V. And we just want our format in this instance. So what this will do is we'll take the format as the header row and the fact that everything else is formatted as currency, and we'll copy it through to our new cells. Expect ticking OK. Now if we take the header in, it's in the header format, and if we put numbers in here, they will automatically be currency. Another option that is particularly useful here, if we want to say the values of this cell, but we don't want to copy across the formula, we can select them, then Ctrl+C to copy, select a new cell, we want our data to appear through, Ctrl+Alt+V, and we just select values, click on OK. You will see that these are now no longer formulas and they no longer have the formats that was in the original cell. Final option in your formats tab that you might find useful is this formula painter option. Now, and say we want to copy the formats from here over to here, so they appear as currency again. Select the cells you want to copy the formats of, click on Formats Painter and select the first cell of this one you want to copy the formats to. And as you can see, they all have been updated to your currency format. This is just a very brief introduction to Clipboard group in your Home tab and an introduction to copying and pasting. I hope you find this video useful and I will see you in the next video.